everybody. If you clicked on this video, then you want to know how I do my 2022 eyebrow tutorial. If you'd like to see more, continue watching. Please don't forget to like, comment under this video, as well as if you do try this technique, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Please also do not forget to follow me on my other social media that I will have in the beginning of this video, as well as linked in the description bar. All right, without no further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I do my method very different. I like the bushy eyebrow look, but as well as making it smooth versus just letting it go wild like some other people like it. But what I use may not be something that you guys want to use. So if it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't. But for those of you that it does work for, I hope you guys like it. But one of the things that I do use that's gonna seem very odd is I do use, I don't know if you guys remember this back in like elementary school, but this washable school glue, it has a purple hue, but it dries clear. So first thing we do want to do, especially if you washed your face, of course if we're doing this then obviously you already washed your face, but in case you didn't, please make sure that you're doing this on a clean skin as well as moisturized skin. I do like to go in with my muscular cleansing, I think I'm saying that wrong, I don't know, this cleansing water. Okay, I use this to take my makeup off, but just in case when you were putting on your face cream and all of your oils and everything, when that gets on the eyebrows and you're using this glue, what ended up happening is it leaves this white residue that I don't really care for. So what I like to do to make sure that that doesn't happen is I like to clean the eyebrows first with it and letting that dry down. Eyebrows are dry. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows slash spoilie from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna brush the eyebrows up. You just want to brush them up. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with the glue. Now there is other products out there that I've seen people use in their videos, which is like they have products that's specifically made to do this effect to your eyebrow, but I never got my hands on them, so I stick to what I know. I don't like to go out of my horizon. Whatever I'm used to doing, I'm just gonna continue to do until it stops working. Clearly this glue is like $2 for 3, and so it's like, why not? Then I go in with this tool. You can get this tool from Amazon. It comes with the plate, but I just go in with this to kind of flatten the eyebrows out to my skin a little bit. And then what I like to do is I like to use the spoilie part of the brush and just swoop them to my liking. Swoop them down before they fully dry down, because once this glue dries, you can't do anything. You're just stuck with however your eyebrows were laying down. Okay, then the same pad that I use in the beginning to clean my eyebrows from any residue from my face cream and everything, I'm gonna use that same one because there's still some micellar, I know I'm saying that wrong, on here to basically just clean up the residue of that glue, because when you're putting on your product like your concealer to clean up the eyebrows, it's gonna leave also that white residue that I was talking about, and you don't want that. That's not a cute look. So what I like to do is I like to just clean up the front, clean up under the bra as close as I can get to the bra without taking the product of the glue off, and as close as I can get to the top. Same thing on the other side. And I want to go under and just clean that up a little bit. Yeah. If it's to your liking by now, your eyebrows should be like, I'm talking rock hard. If they're not, just add a little bit without going out of the line, you just add a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. I think that's good. So now that we've done that part, so now for me, for every day, I like to keep my eyebrows like this because it looks like, a lot of people always ask, like, do you get your eyebrows microbladed or do you get them done? And I'm like, no, I literally just woke up and put some Elmer's glue on my eyebrows. Like, that was it. So I, for everyday wear, like if I'm gonna go somewhere and I don't feel like doing my makeup and I just want to throw on a lipstick and lashes, just how it is right now, I literally do the same exact step and walk out the door. 9 times out of 10, I don't put lashes on. I literally just put mascara, about 3 coats, and my lashes look like I have lashes on, and pop on some lip gloss. Okay, so simple. And but when I am going out, I like to actually add some more definition to the brows. So what I like to do is I'll go in with this Araceli pencil brush right here in the color dark brown. And what I like to do is I like to just fill in the gaps. So my brows are not super thick. They only look thick like this because I did this method, but I have areas that are missing some hair. So what I like to do is to kind of darken it up. I like to just go in with this pencil and just kind of like add the definition to the brows, you know, just a little bit, especially because I don't have ends to my eyebrows because, you know, I wasn't blessed with ends. I think, you know, God was like, I give you everything else, but I gotta give the ends of your eyebrows to somebody else, okay? You know, I'm so grateful and thankful. All right, so kind of look like this in the end. So it's not so like it, I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't look like I did a lot to the brows, which is what I love. You know, the no makeup look is always a win for us, especially in 2022. I'm seeing a lot of my girls just doing a no makeup look, and it's just so much easier. I feel like makeup is always gonna be a thing, but like, you know, having that cake look is not what's going anymore. All right, once we do that, you can leave him like this because I feel like this is so natural. But of course, if you're somebody that's putting on a full face of makeup, when I'm going out nighttime, when I'm doing a full makeup and I want everything to last, then you can do the following next step. But I feel like this is for if you're gonna go to work and you want to look cute but not look like you did too much, this is perfect, okay? Because it's giving you the definition you want. It's looking natural enough that people are not gonna question like, oh, are their eyebrows real or not, because it look natural. But if you're someone that wants to do more to it, then we're gonna go to the next step. To make sure that they don't look so shiny, I go in with my translucent powder from Mercier, and we're just gonna tap on the brows just a little bit. We don't want to overdo it, you know, just literally a little bit, not so much. And we're just going to kind of like tap on the brows. You know, we want them to not look so shiny because the glue gives it a shiny effect, especially if you're somebody like me that put a lot of cream and oils on your skin to stay young. Don't forget 101 tip to looking young, okay? Vitamin C, vitamin K cream. Let me stop talking crap. All right, then we're gonna go in with our Morphe M432 flat brush. I love this brush to clean up my eyebrows, you know, I love it. So what I like to do is I like to use concealers. Concealers kind of like don't move. So I go in with this Too Faced butterscotch color. I go in with that. Now keep in mind, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because it is very, I use this as a highlight for when I'm doing my makeup as a concealer. So I just literally just a little dot. It goes a long way. Okay, you don't want to overdo this because you want your eyebrows to look natural even though you have makeup on. So we're just gonna go in and kind of clean up any imperfections. So what I'm doing is, because I don't want that, like, I want it to look defined, but not so defined that, you know, you're like, okay, yeah, you know, when you're doing your makeup. So I use that butterscotch for under my brow, especially in the arch. But when it comes to the top, if I was doing a full face makeup, I would use the color of my foundation to kind of curve it a little bit, but not so much, because I still want it to look not so perfect, because we're not going for those looks in 2022, the perfect eyebrows. We left that in 2018, 2019, I can't remember. All right. I feel like that is good. So what I like to do in the front is I like to go in with the brush and kind of get rid of that line, so that way the eyebrows can look as perfect as I want them to be. You know, you just go in. Don't be so heavy-handed, because you just want the arch to be defined, not your whole brow. Even though we kind of did the whole brow, we then go in to take that out, okay? So I don't know how we looking. I think we're looking pretty darn good. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.